Hi, here is a really nice affordable 1969 Chevy Camaro for sale. This company is only asking $27,000 for this. Isn't that amazing? I hope you like this car because I really like it too. Alright, so you can call that phone number on the very top there, 559-563-6635, and call them to ask them any questions, or if you want to buy this thing. It's a really great car, and I have a couple of photos to actually show you what it looks like, and there's only a couple, and then there's a little bit more information that I have about this car, but definitely you want to call these guys. Alright, thanks.